episode of Car Addiction. Today, we're going to talk about an interesting product. So this company reached out to me and they offered me their product to test it out in a couple of vehicles. So it's a waterless wash system. So you don't need a single drop of water. That's what they claim. We're going to test it out. We're going to see if they stand behind the product. And the company is called Shinar. I'm sure you have seen this product many times with different other YouTubers because they do a lot of collaboration with other YouTubers. So yeah, let's see how this product works. Behind me we have a 2015 M4, and it's reasonably dirty. I expected this to be a lot dirtier, but my buddy, he kept it clean. That's what you should do to your vehicle. You should keep it clean. Don't be a dirt hog. So it's a super easy to use product. So what you have to do is spray the product on the body of the vehicle liberally. Whew. And then take a piece of rag, fold it in a couple of pieces because you want to use a clean spot, and also spray it a little bit on the rag. And then what you're going to do is just wipe it off nice. So what I recommend doing is taking each panel at a time instead of taking the whole car. That way you can focus on each panel and see what defects that panel has. So in this panel, it's pretty clean, and I'm sure from there you can see it's pretty shiny. But when you were 2 feet away or a foot away, there's certain areas that you don't see. As an example, right here, there's a streak. All I'm going to do is take the bottle and really focus on that area, and take the cloth and slowly scrub it away. If you need to use it a couple of times, feel free to do that. It won't affect or it won't harm your clear coat by any chance. But do keep in mind, if the scratch is on the clear coat, it won't come off because now the scratch is actually embedded in the clear coat. Voila, that's done. Just a little bit left. It really helps to lift the dirt from the body and then just wipe it off. So as you noticed, we didn't use any water. We literally just sprayed this product on. It has a degreasing agent built in it, so that helps to lift the dirt. But it also has a wax portion of it. So now, once it's dried up and it's wiped properly, you're going to see the shine in this area is just a little bit better than these two sections. And also, if you move your hand, This is super smooth, like a baby's bum, where this is a vehicle. All right, we're gonna keep on it. Sounds beautiful. Oh my god, that's fun. The power is instant. This month I'm giving away 2 headlight restoration kit. So all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, like this video, and put a comment at the comment section.